Hi foodies, welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Today we'll be making Desi Pinni. These are essential for winters in every Punjabi household, so I'm going to teach you how to make it, but in a very healthy way. They're almost like protein balls. I'll also be listing the benefits of every ingredient that we use, so if you would like to follow along, please continue watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you think someone else might enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it with them. For this recipe, we'll need 2.5 cups of flour. I'm using Spelt and Raghi Flour. I'm using about 2 handfuls of curd. 1 cup of pistachio, we're going to grind those later. 1 cup of almonds, we'll also grind those. We'll need mugj, and I'm using 1/3 cup of those. I'm using half a cup of saunf and half a cup of ajwain. We'll grind those as well. I'm using 1 cup of butter. We'll be melting that. We'll be using half a cup of isabgol. You can find this at your local Indian store. We'll need 1 pound of koa. I got it fresh from an Indian restaurant. We'll need kali mirch, also known as black pepper. We'll need some ginger powder. I'm using half a bag of full makhane, and the full bag is 200 grams, so we'll be using 100 grams. You can find this at your local Indian store. I'm also using kamarkas powder. I'll also be using lodh powder, and again, you can find this at your local Indian grocery store. We'll start off by roasting our full makhane, and we'll roast them for a couple of minutes until they turn a little bit of a golden brown color. We'll be roasting them and we'll be grinding them after. And the reason why we use them, it's because they improve heart health, they're high in protein, high in fiber, it helps fill you up, so it's good for weight loss as well. You can also eat these as a snack if you prefer. Next, I'm going to take our melted butter and put it into a wok, and we'll just let that start to bubble up a little. And once it does that, we're going to add in our flour. So I use spelt flour and ragi atta, and the reason why I use them is because ragi is gluten-free. Spelt has a little bit of gluten, but it's easier to digest than regular flours, so those are the reasons why I use those flours, but feel free to use any flour you like. And we'll just cook that for about 20 to 25 minutes. And initially I added 2 cups of flour, and then once that started to cook a little, I added half a cup more. While our flour is cooking, we're just gonna grind all our other ingredients. So I'm grinding my almonds, pistachios, mugj, full makhane, ajwain and saunf, and we'll also break down our curd into smaller pieces. And when our flour is almost done cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes, we're gonna start melting our koa. And I just put it in a separate pot and just break it down. And I added a little bit of milk into it, just so that it melts and has a liquidy consistency. And just keep stirring it until it turns into a liquid consistency. And once it's melted, we're gonna add the koa into our flour. The reason I add koa is because it contains vitamin D, B, and K. It also helps strengthen bones, and it keeps your immune system strong and healthy. And you'll start to see that the flour is thickening up, and that's what we want. And we'll just let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and just keep stirring it. Next, I'm going to add our saunf and ajwain. I just grinded them together. The reason I added ajwain and saunf is because ajwain helps with digestive health, helps prevent infections, lowers blood pressure, and it's good for cough and congestion relief. So it's really good to have in the winters especially. And saunf combats bad breath, improves digestive health, helps regulate blood pressure, helps with respiratory alignments, and it also helps with skin appearance. And then I added pistachio. It helps keep blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol in check. Next, I added almonds, and almonds help reduce hunger and it also promotes weight loss. And then we'll add our muggen. They're full of protein, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. They help with hair growth, controlling hair loss, healthy for skin, and it's a good source of B complex. And we'll just mix that all together. Next, I'm adding my gur, and this is a great replacement for sugar. And we'll just mix that together and try to break the gur pieces as small as possible. Next, I'm gonna add our full makhane, and I've just grinded them up. Next, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of gamargas. It helps with back pain, it helps with body pain or any weakness, and it helps strengthen your muscles. I'm adding 1 spoon of black pepper, and that helps with digestion, and it helps with improving nutrient absorption. And then I'm adding 1 spoon of lodh powder, and this is used in Ayurvedic medicine. It helps with skin problems, heals wounds, and it helps with any oral problems. And then I'm adding 1 spoon of ginger powder, and this helps with any nausea, weight loss, helps lower blood sugar, and improves your heart. And lastly, I'm using half a cup of isabgol. It helps with cholesterol, aids in weight loss, it helps with diarrhea, boosts digestion, it regulates blood sugar. We'll mix that all together and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and keep stirring it and just break any big chunks you may see. And our mixture is ready. So now we're just gonna start to form it into little balls, and we'll just place it into a tray. I never used to understand why my parents used to have pinia, like it just didn't make sense to me, but now that I'm older and I understand all the benefits of the ingredients and how they help you, it really is important to take care of your health, especially during winter months and especially if you're living outside of Punjab. And this is one great way to keep yourself healthy. Keep yourself healthy and provide your body with the nutrients it needs, and your pinia are ready. So if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you've tried Desi Pinni before. I post videos weekly, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.